Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing a giveaway from my subscribers. This is the second one for this week, so there is another one open. Feel free to enter for both giveaways. All you have to do is watch the video and answer the comments down below for whatever question I'm gonna ask sometime in this video. And just a reminder, this is US only. And also make sure you check YouTube to see if I reply to your comment, because there have been a few winners who answered like 2-3 weeks later, and I would love for you guys to receive it as soon as possible. So make sure you keep checking after this date to see if you won. But first, let's select the winner for one of the last giveaways. There was two last week, or the last two giveaways. There was two. The first winner was let me double check, Pam, and for this giveaway, let's go ahead and select the lucky winner. All right, so for this giveaway, let's see, start, and there is our winner. Congratulations, Libby. I'm so excited for you to receive these goodies. Thank you so much for participating, and I wish everyone else good luck for today. Alright, we are doing a couple of stamps. We got these really nice corners. They're all different. And then we got plants. I love these plants. They are so modern, but you can still color them. And they're very sharp, very beautiful design. And then we got these. I put these in the geometrics. Very good element. You can do really creative things with it, especially for journals. But even with cards, it could look so elegant. So elegant. And there's room to color. And then a travel stamp. This is actually really big. I think this is a really good one. I love these. You can do these in different color. You can get fun, colorful with it, or you can do vintage. You don't have to stamp it in black. You can stamp it in brown or red or maybe blue, like a navy blue. Oh, that would be so nice. And then we got a background. This is one big stamp. Alright, for the dies, we got a falling star die, which is good for Christmas mostly, I think. But really for any time of the year, this is very nice. It's good for card and journal. And you can also just cut it down on white paper and then color the stars and the swirls in different color. Alright, we got washies. We got 3 washies, a big one and 2 little ones. These ones are floral. And then this one is the Japanese mountain. Also really good for background decoration. But it's free, so in case you don't need it, you can always give it away. We got 2 stamps. I really like these wood pieces. And then this is an abstract one. Alright, so my question for this video, let's see. This is getting harder and harder. Okay, my question is, what is your favorite Disney movie? What is your favorite Disney movie? That's it. Comment down below. We got a Christmas one. And then we also got a stencil. This is a palm leaf tree. As I mentioned in previous videos, I cut this out from a bigger stencil. And because it was too big to send it to just one person. So I'm dividing it between multiple people. This is really good quality. It's kind of thick lines, but the stamps are pretty big, so you still have room to color, and it's not, the black is not overshadowing it. And these are not English, but the 3 characters are the main important things on this stamp. Okay, and then we have a die. Let me see the measurements on here. A little bit over 4 inches wide, 5.5 inch tall. This is really beautiful for frame because it is the frame and then the heart and the leaf. Very good. You could do this in any color and put it over white background. It will look absolutely beautiful. And the last for this giveaway is stickers. So we got a green set, pink set, purple set, yellow, and the blues. Alright, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enter, I wish you good luck. And remember, there is another giveaway open, so double your luck and go enter in both open giveaways. Have a fantastic rest of the day.